In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating Google Forms to get every answer you have submitted or received. We'll walk you through step by step to make this process seamless and straightforward, so stay tuned. To begin, open your web browser and head on over to Google Forms. You can easily find this by searching for Google Forms in your preferred search engine or directly entering the URL forms.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you will see the option to either create a new form or access existing ones. If your goal is to retrieve answers from a particular form, click on that specific form from the list of available forms. This will open the Forms Editor interface. In the Form Editor, notice the tabs at the top, particularly the one labeled Responses. Click on this tab to reveal the Responses overview. Here, you'll be able to see a summary of responses along with individual responses and graphs compiled from the data gathered. If you're looking to download or view the responses in a detailed format, look for the green Sheets icon, which allows you to create a Google Sheet document. Click this icon, and it will automatically generate a spreadsheet containing all the responses for that form. This is incredibly useful if you need to perform any data analysis or simply want to have a record of all the responses. Now, if you need to download these responses, it's straightforward. In the Google Sheet interface, head over to the File menu situated at the top left of the screen. From there, click on Download, and you will be presented with various file format options such as Microsoft Excel, PDF, comma-separated values, and more. Choose the format that best suits your needs for downloading the responses to your computer. For those who prefer to maintain their workflow entirely online, all changes and updates made to these sheets are automatically saved to your Google Drive. This feature is handy, especially if you collaborate with others or need to access this data from different locations or devices. Remember to periodically check the Responses tab for any new submissions, especially if your form remains active after its initial release. This ensures you're equipped with the most up-to-date information at all times. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to access all the answers on Google Forms, ensuring you can view, download, and manage data efficiently and effectively. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe for more tutorials, and don't hesitate to ask questions or leave suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.